Yo, so I'm actually about to go cut off all of my hair. It's been a good run the past 6 years. I'm just playing with y'all. I'm definitely just about to go to the barbershop and get a little lineup on the sides and a taper on my beard. And I'm actually gonna go pick up my nephew Gregory. I'm gonna take him hat shopping and get him a haircut as well. So it should be a cool little day. Should get a good amount of content. It's 10:50 right now. My appointment's at 11:30. Gregory's appointment's at 12, so we're gonna back to back it. We got these car keys and get on the way, man. Just pulled up. This man Gregory should be coming out any moment. Oh, there you go, right now.
My new haircut. Not haircut, that's my new hair.
Got your hair tied up?
Yep.
Trying to look like me, huh?
How?
I know, I'm sweating too.
What you doing, a vlog?
Yeah. What you got to say to the YouTube channel?
Make sure to go check out my TikTok, not X Gregory. Spam my comments and also check out my YouTube, not X Salty.
I bet, bro. So we about to run in here and get this little haircut. Go ahead and take your hair out the bun right quick. He growing his hair out. It's the first time he got it in the bun. Okay. That look wild. We're gonna have to fix that up. Yeah, you good, bro. We gotta get this haircut though, regardless. Just finished getting our haircuts, man. You see it?
No.
Yes, sir. We gotta slide to the gas station probably, bro, because I'm thirsty.
Which one?
What you get, juice? Gatorade?
Half and half. Watermelon lemonade.
Why you keep me on it so much?
It's contagious. Do you know yawns are contagious? I'm surprised you have me on.
Yeah, I'm gonna get these white chocolate Reese's. This one I'm gonna get. Fire. What you mean? You don't like these?
Podcast for those?
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube?
How you doing? Thank you. Appreciate it. Come on, bro. Yes, sir. I just got these white chocolate Reese's for the first time. The low-key sound fire. I don't even like white chocolate like that. You wanna try one, bro?
Yeah.
That's what it look like.
Hope it's not.
Hold on, let me get one. We gonna rate them. Fire or trash? Oh shoot. Open mine for me, bro. I got one hand. Please. Thank you, sir. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, try it. It's kind of fire. What you think? You don't like it?
It's alright.
Look like you don't like it. 1 to 10.
8.
8. I give it like a 9. All right, come on, let's go get these hats for real.
That's not no 10.
I bet. So we just got to the mall. We're about to do some TikTok videos. I'm gonna take him hat shopping. I think this time I'm gonna actually get a hat because I always just get you one. So we're gonna see what they got. But come on, bro. You ready for this TikTok? We're gonna do the intro like normal. I'm just be like, what's up, bro? You wanna go cop a fitted hat?
Alright.
And he's be like, yeah, for sure. Or whatever you wanna say. All right. Stop yawning.
It's contagious, I swear.
All right. Ooh, camera almost fell. That would have been bad.
You was scrambling to that.
If that camera falls, I'm gonna cry. All right, let's go back.
No, you're not.
You ready? What's good, bro? You wanna go cop a new fitted hat?
For sure, let's go.
Come on, man. That's how we get it done. Yeah, there you go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's get these videos in, bro. We're probably gonna do like 2 or 3. We'll do like one intro out here, and then we can do one in the mall. All right, come on, y'all. What kind of hat you looking for, bro? I'm trying to find some heat.
I mean, I don't know. Just something tight, something that look good.
I got you, bro. Let's see what we find, man.
Yeah, this is him. And he did that one thing. I'm like,
You ready, bro?
Yeah. My hair good?
Yeah, your hair looks straight. Which one? You gonna do the brown one, right?
Thanks for bottom.
You want to mess up the Pirates one?
I was, but now when something's fire, but it's like too easy. It's just like black and white.
That's weird, bro.
I feel you, bro. Appreciate it.
Tough hat, bro.
Ooh, so blurry.
Look clean with that.
Oh, there you go. Both put it on. Be like, it don't hurt. You know, it don't feel like your head.
Fine. Ready?
Alright, look for my head back wrist.
Alright, bet. So we just did the TikTok and caught some hats. You wanna show them what we got, Gregory? I never really see this logo.
Right,
Bust them out. Sheesh. What's that? The Seattle?
Yes, sir.
Seattle Pilots. Let me see the side patch. Let me see the side patch. The embroidery on the bill is what did it for me, bro. I had to get one for him, and I had to get one for myself too, because it was just that fire.
Gray bottoms.
Gray bottoms. Let me see the bottom. Gray bottom with the pinstripe, man. Way too fire. We still gotta curve the bill, bro.
Yeah.
We just did what, like 2 TikTok videos, a YouTube vlog, and got some food. I think we had a pretty productive day, bro.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
As always.
As always, for sure, man.
Granted.
Probably gonna drop you back off at the crib. I gotta stop home. I gotta edit the vlog from Capcom and do a couple other stuff, but it's always fun hanging out with you, bro. Yes, sir. Come on, we're gonna drop you off. You wanna say peace out to the vlog?
Peace.
What's the like go? Come here. What's the like go? I say 500 likes on this video.
I want to up you to 501.
501 likes on the video? Y'all heard the man. 501 likes on the video. We need that. Appreciate y'all boys.